This is a 1998 Jaguar XJR, and I'm doing this video to show the EGR valve when it gets really dirty, what it looks like. It's for a the code that I got is the P0400. The EGR valve can be cleaned. Sometimes it may have to be replaced, but must always be careful because this pipe right here that's connected from the EGR valve to here can break sometimes, so be careful. It's a total of 3 gaskets, one to the EGR valve, well, 2 to the EGR valve, and 1 to right there. Anyway, I hope this helps. I had to remove the throttle body and disconnect stuff. Some of these connectors, you know, they're old and brittle. The car has 220 some thousand miles on it, so be careful when removing it. I sprayed some PB Blaster here to help with that removal of these nuts as well. So I hope this helps someone who may have to do this job.